If there is one star to be made this season, it's this one. It is so pretty, it's easy, fast to be made, and also it's from toilet paper rolls. I love the idea. It's really convenient because we all have these things at home. The pencil, the ruler, the scissors, and obviously the toilet paper rolls. And measure at 5 centimeters, around 2 inches on each side. That will be helpful to create like a little house sort of shape. And then in the middle make a dot. I'm not saying where exactly because each roll is different size, so in half, halfway down in the middle, and then draw the line, and you're gonna make like a little house sort of shape. And once you have that drawn, you can cut these. We need quite a lot of these, let's say 10, 12, 15. It really depends how big your star should be, how many arms you wish for them. But the most important part right now is please keep those leftovers. This little triangle here and the other one that is now coming, keep all of them. I made the most gorgeous star ever from those leftovers. You will see it very soon, I promise you. It is gorgeous, and it's probably my most favorite of all time paper stars. I didn't make many of them, but I did make few. Now we need the bottom part of our little houses glued down, and I'm using the clips. Super easy. It's gonna be very helpful because it takes time to glue down few of those houses, so help yourself with the clip and then just join them together. It is really easy, and I'm pretty sure someone else did this star before, but truly I have just been sitting down and just looking at the rolls, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna just cut here. So I haven't looked on any other stars of this kind, and I just made it myself. Maybe it's not there, maybe it is, I don't know. But this particular today's video, I really was sitting down and just experimenting, and I came up with this housey sort of shape, and I was like, wow, this is by far the easiest ever. Join all your little houses together, and sometimes you may need one more, maybe two more of the houses, just to make your opening of the star much easier. And hold it tightly, really hold on tightly, because it's a cardboard. It may not be that easy of it. You need quite a power to hold those, so clips are super handy. And there you go, join all the elements that you cut out from your rolls, join all the little houses together, keep it, hold it tightly, strongly. Sorry, that was my phone. And your star is pretty much ready. Wait till everything is really dry because it may rip off. It is so satisfying to open up all of that. I just love that part so much. And it was such a really easygoing project, and I think for those who struggle maybe to make something, to feel creative, this is such a great start, I think. And it is so pretty, ready kind of star. And I just thought, yeah, I'm gonna have that in the middle, so my star will look kind of traditional, folky. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I hope you will try it for yourself. Please do, promise me you will love it. So easy. So what you think? I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Happy holidays, my friends, and I'll chat to you soon. I love you. Bye. Bye bye.